Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to apply for Indeed jobs in mobile. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Indeed mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already logged in, or you can even create your account on it if you haven't already created your account on Indeed. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page you are going to see this type of section where you will be asked to provide the job title, keyword or the company name that you want to search for. After that, you will have to enter your city or the locality in which you want to apply for the job. So over here in the search bar, let's say you want to search for the job of accountant, and then you will have to enter the city or the locality. So you just have to select the city as per your convenience. After that, it will show you the results for the designation that you have selected in the search bar. It will also show you how much you are going to get paid and whether the job is full-time or part-time. So you will have to select that particular job for which you want to apply. After selecting it, you will be shown the job details, and here if you scroll down you are going to see the job description as well. So in order to apply for this job, you will have to click on apply now. Then you will be shown this type of form where you need to provide your first name, your last name, your phone number and your email address. Then you need to enter the city and the state in which you are currently living. Then you will have to press continue in the bottom. After that, on the next page you will have to upload your resume. So after filling these details, you will have to click on the submit button, and this way you will be able to easily apply for Indeed jobs in mobile. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.